Hello everyone! Have you ever watched a performance and thought, wow, that was amazing? Or maybe, I think they can improve more? But wait, how do we actually judge or evaluate a performance fairly? Today, we will learn how to become young art critics and evaluate creative works based on important elements used in early Philippine arts. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to analyze creative works by identifying their concept, process, and practices. Evaluate performances using a simple rubric. Give your own opinion with reasons, just like a real artist. Let's do a quick review. Think about your past performance. For example, Group 3 presented a dance collage and it was amazing. To evaluate performances, we need to understand three important things. 1. Concept. This is the idea or meaning of the artwork. In early Philippine arts, concepts often include nature worship, belief in spirits, animism, respect for ancestors. 2. Process. This is how the artwork is made. Before, artists used natural materials, skills passed through generations, community participation. 3. Practices. These are the actual activities like music, dance, theater, weaving, and crafts. So when we evaluate, we ask, did they show the correct concept? Did they follow proper process? Did they apply cultural practices? Now let's learn how to score a performance using a rubric. 1. Application of concept, process, practices. 3 points. All are present. 2 points. 2 are present. 1 point. Only 1 is present. 2. Integration of art forms. 3 points. Music, dance, and theater. 2 points. 2 art forms. 1 point. 1 only. 3. Creativity and originality. Unique and creative, more points. 4. Group effort, participation, cooperation, role sharing. So you see, evaluating is not about guessing, it's based on clear criteria. Let's try an example. Group A performed a tribal dance with music and costume. Did they show concept? Did they follow process? Did they show practices? So that's 3 points. But wait, did they include theater? No? Then maybe only 2 points for integration. This is how we carefully observe using a checklist. Take a look at this example. Now it's your turn. Evaluate your performance or another group. Use the rubric. Write 2 to 3 sentences explaining your score. For example, I gave them 3 points because they showed concept, process, and practices clearly. Let's reflect. Evaluating helps us improve and appreciate art more deeply. So remember, great artists are also great evaluators. The next time you watch a performance, don't just say, "It's good." Ask yourself, Why is it good? See you in our next lesson. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, to further develop our understanding, let's work on the following activity.